How to create an account on Ticketmaster. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to create a new account on Ticketmaster. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, launch your web browser on your device. For a demo, let's open Google Chrome. Now with the help of the search bar, type in www.ticketmaster.com and search for it. From this result page, tap on the first link, which is the official website of Ticketmaster. Once you land on this section, tap on person-like icon at top right corner of your screen. Now you will reach on this section. If you are new to Ticketmaster, tap on sign up link. Now on the sign up section, enter the credentials like your email, password, first name, last name, country of residence, and zip or postal code and tap next button. Now you have to verify your email and phone number, so you need to add your phone number and verify your email. And after you have entered your number and verified, you will successfully create an account on Ticketmaster. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.